Hey, it's Zena, and today I want to review these awesome packing cubes that I got from Aerotrunk's brand for review. My first impression is the material is thick, breathable, really great quality, and they are compression, so you can fit many things in here. Let me show you. Easily fits several pairs of pants. Look how nicely it folds. Space-wise, it does fit really nicely in a carry-on with definitely even more room. But if you're trying to fit all your, let's say, pants and shirts on the one side, and then toiletries, socks, underwear, etc. on the other side, this is one of the largest packing cubes for a carry-on suitcase. I love that you can fit it in the carry-on while it's compressed or even while it's full size. So really strong, really durable, won't tear, and definitely fits a lot of clothing. Love it and highly recommend it.